Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to do a what's in my planner pouch. But as you can see, I obviously have two pouches. These are the planner pouches that I use every single day. Now I have a bajuka amount of pen pouches, planner pouches, little, carry bags, whatever you want to call them. I have a lot of those, but as far as the ones that I use every single day when I'm planning or when I'm doing work, these two are it. This one is from Erin Condren, and I can't remember the name of it. And this is just a random bag that I got from Target years ago. I want to say at least probably 3 years ago now. And, it was really cheap. It was like, I want to say $3 or $5. But let's go ahead and start with the Erin Condren bag. Now, like I said, these are the pouches I reach for every single day. This one is my highlighter pouch, and it's made of that neoprene material, and it's got this Erin Condren, I want to say, marbling kind of design. I throw it around, and it still is holding up quite nicely. Pretty well made, I haven't had any issues with it. No rips, no, stains, nothing. So in this pouch, I have my highlighters. Now it has a pocket here, and in this pocket I just keep a pair of scissors, which I always forget I have in here. But that's what's in there. And then you have this little flap where you can see you've got some pen loops here, so you could put pens on either side. So I have a couple of highlighters here, and I'm pretty positive I picked these up from Dollar Tree. And I have some more highlighters here, and I don't even use these. I probably could toss them if they are dried out. But for the most part, I am in this big section here. Now, I use highlighters every day because I use highlighters as a way to cross off when I get things done in my planner. And I also color code my financial planner. Like I have a color for each expense, so at a glance I can tell how much money went for what category. So like I said, I'm using highlighters every single day. And you can see I have a variety of here. I have the big fat jumbo markers, and I have, like I said, the little Dollar Tree highlighters. And my favorites are the mild liners, and I think this is pretty universal. Everyone loves the mild liner highlighters. I don't know if this is going to focus. There we go. So these are my favorites just because you've got so many colors, and because the colors, I guess, are very subtle. They're kind of pastel-y. They're not super bright, but sometimes I do like the super bright neon highlighters. But for the most part, these are what I use just because you have so many color options, and they just kind of match, any type of layout, and they don't smear. At least from my experience, I haven't experienced, any smearing of the pen inks. But I think you have to let the ink dry before you highlight it. At least that's what someone told me a while ago. I also have these highlighters, which are really nice. These are called the Ascenti, I think it's called. I'm hoping this will focus. I don't know if it will, but it is another. It's kind of like a mild liner competitor, I guess. Now, these were given to me by a neighbor. I had never heard of this brand, but it kind of reminds me of mild liners, and they work great. You can see it's called a soft highlighter. So again, it's kind of got that, that pastel-y soft highlight. And I think that is it in here. I have a UB highlighter, some more of the Ascenti highlighters, and like I said, the Dollar Tree highlighters. So I am in this pouch every single day. And the nice thing about it is, because it is made of that neoprene material, it stretches. So no matter how much I stuff this, you know, it closes without any problem. And I still, you know, have room to grow. Like, I probably could still stuff a lot more pens in there. All right, so in my other pen pouch, this is a rose gold, like I said, cheapy pouch I picked up from the Target dollar spot years ago. But what I liked about it was that it was very big and roomy. You can see it's, I mean, I don't really know what the measurements are, but anyway, it's a really roomy bag. So in here, I have my Stedler, I think it's called, Statler. This was a 6-pack of pens, but you can see I've either lost or used some of them. But that's in there because, again, I am in and out of this pouch every single day. And then I have my favorite gel pens, which are the Pentel Sparkle Pop. Now, if you have not tried these gel pens, they are fantastic. They come in all kinds of colors. I think I did a video unboxing them, and I really, really like them. They are very vibrant. They come in like several types, you know, several varieties. You can see here, this one is, whoops, the Milky Pop. There's Sparkle Pop. And what's the other one? There's another one. But anyway, these pens are so fun. Now, the Milky Pop works really good if you have a black paper notebook. It shows up really, really well. So I have quite a few of these in here. I also have some clips in here, because what planner pouch would be complete without random clips floating around? More of the, oh, here it is, Solar. That's the other one, Solar Pop. And I think that's kind of more of a neon. But I love these pens. I really, really do. I also have a thumb drive in here. I have an Initial Charm, which used to be on one of my notebooks. I need to find another notebook to put that on. And some more of my Sparkle Pop or Milky Pop Pentel gel pens. And then I also have some jelly rolls in here. Now, you know it's hard to find a good white gel pen. So I have finally found some that I like. And these are the Sakura Jelly Roll. And I hope this will focus, because if you are looking for a good white gel pen, I want to say this is it. And I think the 10 is like the bolder tip, and then the 5 is the finer tip. But these are my favorite white gel pens. They work really, really well. No skipping, no, you know, weird globs of ink. They're just a really, really smooth writing white ink gel pen. And then I have a random felt tip pen. I think this came in a Target 3-pack. I don't know where the other two are, but that's in there. And then this is I think a chalk pen that I don't use. I think I had some black chalkboard labels, and I think this went to that. Now, the other thing I really like are the fountain pens. This is a Pilot Varsity fountain pen. Now, these are like disposable fountain pens. They're not like, you know, a very high-end fountain pen. And I think I got this, I think I got a couple packs of these free at Go Wild a few years ago. And I do like them, but I'm still going through them. But I think it's a great, you know, starter fountain pen if you're just learning about fountain pens and inks and stuff like that. This is a really good pen because it's not too expensive. So that is everything that is in my planner slash pen pouch. Like I said, these are the two pouches that I am in every single day, and I just wanted to share because it has been a while since I have done a video like that. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about anything, drop them down below, and I will check in with you again very soon.